how to turn on or turn off the night light on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the night light in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go here down below to this option right here, click here, and here you go, you will find the night light option here. You can enable it or even disable it as you want. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching till the end.